They're having a seance outside my house.
Oh no.
Oof. Smoke it up. So more, 2, on the third one. Yeah. Alright, can we try that? I'm gonna count you in. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna give you a whole measure, and then the next measure is where you guys come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very quick. Okay.
So they come in on 3?
They come in on 3, and you guys come in on 2. Your guys' notes.
Earlier?
Yeah, well, yeah, you guys, again, if you're stacked, again, you guys are stacked, So, remember this entire piece, you guys are coming in one right after. Are you having fun there?
No.
No? Oh, you guys.
Do I look like I'm having fun, Sam?
Yeah, you look very entertained. Hello, Aiden.
Hi.
Wait, hold on, wait, look at how tall he is compared to me.
Oh, great.
And I'm short.
Now she's trying to attack.
You're not short, you're like 5'10", 5'11".
You're like 5'7".
I'm like 5'6".
Look, guys, Easter in like a month.
Is it in a month?
Oh, Starburst jelly
I thought it was
beans.
last
These are the best things ever.
I hate Starburst jelly beans.
Oh, really?
Just kidding, I don't know.
They're delicious.
I've never had
They like, they're the texture of jelly beans.
I actually
They
just,
taste like Starburst.
I don't like
Do they
jelly
have-
beans.
Do you think they have the Dorito, like, filled Doritos here?
What?
Dorito filled Doritos.
Not Dorito
the
filled Doritos.
The
They're like
Dorito filled
nacho
Doritos? So you
filled
mean just Doritos?
You guys have never had them?
No, never
We
heard
gotta
of it.
check.
Oh, hey, this is what we needed.
Hey, there's the fundraising boxes. Should we get 1 or 2?
Wait,
Chocolate Lovers fundraising kit.
which one is that's not the right one.
That's the one you have in the car.
Pretty sure that's the one.
Which one is the right price?
That's the one you always.
Because that's the 30 count. Oh, it's that one. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The one that's 30. I was like, what is happening? Alright. Pick one, anyone.
I want.
It's a really hard decision. That one has candy leaking out of it.
Damn it, I chose the wrong one.
leaking.
I chose the wrong one, guys. You put it back.
You should be trusted with it.
I mean, should we get that one?
It's special. Stop making a mess.
Yeah, I feel like this one has the best, like, options. The ones are not as good.
You're too
Oh. We should get, like, an entire thing of caramellos.
Oh, just for fun.
Because everyone always buys those
Wait,
from me.
these?
Yeah.
I've never had those.
They're really good, but
You should.
everyone's always like, do you have caramellos?
We have
No.
an extra box in the car.
Be like, yeah, we do.
Oh,
Yeah, you want to come back to the car with us and we'll give you some of our caramellos.
And then we mug them.
And then we get more money. And we don't give them any of the caramellos.
Sour punch straws.
Like here, you can have some Reese's and
Gay bacon.
Gay bacon?
Gay bacon.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I love gay bacon then.
Is this black? What is this? Oh, they're just like in a weird
Oh my
container.
gosh, you guys, it's sour.
And then I was like, and she was like, I wish my kids were gingers. And then she was like, but sadly, they all had black hair. I was like, maybe your future kids will, you never know. And she was like, no, I got my tubes tied, and then winked at me.
Oh my
I was like, whoa! You want to go to this one now?
Yeah.
I was like, whoa!
So distracted by your story.
That's like really like
It was crazy.
too much
That's
She was
intense.
like
information.
35. I was like, oh
Well, anyway,
my.
we're selling candy bars right now.
Do you want to buy some?
Yeah, you should buy some.
And we'll
Anyway,
tie your
gotta
tubes
make
for
some
free.
money. We'll tie your tubes.
I'll bring the X-Acto knife.
Oh my god.
Bring the yarn to tie them.
It was like my parody of Spider-Man, right?
Ooh, that's cool.
And so the first villain in Lizard Boy is Kid Squid instead of Doc Ock. Yeah, Kid Squid. Cactus Man, I don't know, maybe the Sandman?
Oh, that works.
Yeah.
Aiden just got his toe punctured by a cactus, so he's gonna be a
That's
superhero.
very sad.
He has cactus venom in his blood now.
That's not Aiden, you gotta
I'm gonna become
Yes,
cactus.
I am Aiden.
This is Aiden. Aiden.
Order here. Oh, over here, not order here. They really want you to do it.
you gonna do it, Sierra?
I don't know. I just might. I'm considering it.
Yummy.
People view the causes of addiction in many, many different ways. The main three models include the moral. The addiction is the drug abuser's fault and is a moral failing. The person can stop if they try hard enough, which I'm sure is something you've heard either on the radio or in passing is, well, they want to do drugs, they just choose not to stop. The disease model, which is when addiction is a disease that is in the person addicted and cannot be cured but only treated through lifelong abstinence. And the psychological model. Drug abuse causes a dependency in the brain that makes it hard to stop. Some treatment options include psychological treatment. The social culture, am I saying that right? Sociocultural model. Some people may be more likely to abuse drugs based on the environment they live in, so it can be stopped by discouraging it. Isn't that 4?
Yeah.
It's my dream girl.
Yeah, this is Sam's dream girl.
I love that.
Sam, how do you feel?
I feel attacked.
Okay. What is it like to be trans? Being trans is terrible. Some people own it. Some people own it and take pride in being trans, but it's not generally a good experience. Imagine if you woke up tomorrow in the body of the opposite sex. You'd probably have fun for a day or two, but imagine if you couldn't change back.
I know words.
This is the one that we didn't draw.
Who is that?
You didn't draw
You'll
that?
learn.
No,
I'm really surprised.
You about to get learned.
I think I know who that
History
is.
of trans folks.
That's me, obviously.
Cultures around the world have had a
It's
concept
not
of
me,
more
I'm
than
not
two genders for millennia, such as two-spirits. Two-spirits, which were the Navajo idea of trans people, were often honored as the most connected to the gods of Navajo nature. Culture, my bad. The first pride was even started by a trans woman named Marsha P. Johnson. That's her.
Oh.
She's very beautiful.
She's beautiful.
Trans people have always existed. They're just finally being more widely accepted.
I like her eyes.
Like
Oh, I think that's the end. Of
testosterone.
trans males.
Oh, well,
Wow,
I'm
we
not
picked a lot
in
of
this.
these.
Yeah, throwing a dick.
Look closely. Got it. Wait, don't.
Guys, I think my Kahoot is broken.
Oh crap! I put the wrong one.
Good
Fuck.
job.
I didn't mean
Alright.
to.
I almost clicked
That
that
time
one.
was actually an accident.
That's okay.
I
You know, I
promise.
wish that was true.
So
Like,
actually,
Throwing a
let me
dick.
tell you, it's sort of true.
yeah,
It's
it
not
does.
really. You don't grow an actual dick, but like,
About to get real awkward. Your clitoris grows.
yeah,
I was gonna say, isn't that what happens?
I was like, what do you mean? Like, I thought you were I was like, what do you mean?
Yeah.
It's kind of true.
Well, I think
That makes sense.
I've heard it grows like
Can
3
I?
inches.
It can, yeah.
Can I tell you a fun
Yeah,
fact?
you grow kind of a baby dick.
Did you know, in the womb, the clitoris, whatever the fuck, however you say it.
Or a Mormon woman's
Clitoris.
When you're like in between male and female, it's the same tissue.
It's
His nose was a clitoris.
it is supposed to grow into either male or female when in the womb. That's also why
Yeah.
men also have nipples.
Well,
Yeah, because the
that's
default
why.
gender.
Yeah.
And our winner,
Transparent.
Daddy.
I still got on there.
Should we give the
Oh, thanks. Someone needs to count. Okay, someone has to count.
All right, ready?
It's like
3,
smoke.
2, 1.
I got to.
I can't do it.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
How is everyone doing?
Tired.
We're totally fucked.
All right, so we have some new additions to introduce that you probably haven't seen yet. So this is Gabe.
Hello.
So Gabe, tell us about yourself.
My name's Gabe, and I'm enjoying this pizza very well. Thank you very much.
Very well.
Okay. Good. All right, and then that's Haley, just like on her phone, you know, just. Tell us about yourself.
She's texting her boyfriend. I'm Haley. I'm 19. I'm really awkward, but I'm really glad to be here.
Cool. All right. Anyone else have anything to say?
I have something to say. I love you all so much.
Season 2's coming soon.
Thank you.
I love you.
Okay, so how is rehearsal today, guys? How do you feel?
Why are there peppers?
It is tiring.
I literally said
I know about you,
and
but
went,
I'm having fun.
Yeah, me too.
I'm liking how the show's coming along. I think it's gonna be really good.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah. So everyone needs to buy tickets, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Like right now.
I already bought my
It's either that or they can just give us a lot of money.
For each
Yeah,
ticket,
you don't have to buy tickets. Just
for
give us
each
the
ticket
money.
we sell, I will eat 3 hot peppers.
Hey,
Do you have anything to say, Esperanza?
I'm super excited and hot.
Just in general,
You're not
though,
hot.
not about the show.
You're ugly.
I'm like,
no, I'm
feel
just
hot.
kidding.
Well, I think I'm
I'm just
hot,
salty.
so.
I'm salty. It's okay. Oh yeah, you also probably noticed we're in a different space today.
And I was like,
How aesthetically pleasing. Hey. What is going on?
I want goldfish and she won't share her.
there's perfectly good pizza over there.
There's no cheese left. I can't eat the pepperoni or the sausage.
Why?
Because it makes me sick. Makes me sick.
Sounds like a personal problem.
It is a personal problem.
You're
So
lucky
we
I'm
should make
cute.
her.
No, I'm just kidding.
And that's why you're sharing your
I
goldfish?
said you're lucky I'm cute.
You're
No,
sharing
I'm
your
just kidding.
goldfish because you're cute?
Yeah.
My dog is cute. It's been almost a year since we got her.
Oh yeah, your dog is crazy.
Our oliversary.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh,
Oh.
I just realized that it's almost been a year since I
Plead the fifth.
Yeah.
I can't disclose this information in front of a camera. That's why it's called
Esperanza's just
plead the
full-
fifth.
Look at her hair. It's so big because it's full of secrets. Because she just has so many secrets.
That's why you play plead the fifth and make people reveal them.